I'd really like to turn things over to Joel, who's the Director of Continuous Improvement with Johnson Controls, and he's really done a super job of taking Lean, Six Sigma, and the KT tools and embedding them into what he calls a triple certification process, where he's been able to generate lots of business results for Johnson Controls.
I wanted to give you a background on where I work. I work in our continuous improvement area, and in the continuous improvement area, I even heard it this morning. People talked about Lean Sigma or Sigma and Lean. We have what we call the Johnson Controls manufacturing system. Toyota helped us develop it, so it's very similar to the Toyota production system. And you can see a little bit of the icons there, the standardized work, Kaizen, 5S, etc. We have advanced tools, and we have the basic tools, and we have a passport that every employee gets as they take their training. Then we have Six Sigma, and most of you are familiar with the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. We started that about year 2000. We started the Six Sigma training, and we have master black belts, etc. And this is an important part that I drew a little bit of a line there. That used to be the line, of training, and it's like we used to count training, butts and seats in a sense, right? How many people are trained? And we try to get high numbers in training. And then someone asks, well, how are we doing with it? Well, I don't know, we're training. It's like, no, you got to get results. So really there's 3 steps to this too. And our Leadership Institute helped us with this. We track not only number of people trained, we expect people to then become certified practitioners. Okay, they have to take the projects and execute them. Then the execution, they have to take that into results. So we have 3 points of measuring our training. This is a couple examples. I'm going to go into some examples of how it actually is used. So here's Melissa. She works in one of our plants. This was a door panel issue. We had a squeak on the door panel. It's not unusual for us to have a squeak on a door panel because it's mating with a metal surface. But the ME could not solve it. I'll be blunt, the ME could not solve it. Matter of fact, he put another station in place to solve the problem. Melissa said, well, I just had Kepner-Tregoe, why don't I solve it? And she did. And matter of fact, she saved $30,000 saving our company, and she fixed the problem. In conclusion, Kepner-Tregoe has helped us with not only doing things better, aligning to our tools, but we do it faster and we save money. If I want to tell you some results here. We have a new CI track. We monitor our projects. It was turned on globally in April, and so you can see a lot of projects are being completed in April. We charge our people for training. We charge them, $300, $400 for our training internally for Kepner-Tregoe, and they are returning within 6 months $10,000 per project.